This blue 10- is called Crimp fried rice.
As the name suggests, this route was heavy on crimps, but most of them had a lot of space. These pinches had a lot of space to hook the hands around, so you don't have to use the conventional grip, though it's sometimes good practice to force it. And now it's back to crimps, except they're angled up here, so it's generally recommended to pull along the line in which they're facing. It's a good idea to be aware of the upcoming hold so you can anticipate the position you should be in to make a single, smooth transitioning move. An example would be pulling up from crimps to establish higher crimps facing the opposite direction, like here.